Good morning guys! Happy Sunday! So, maaga kami ngayon pero nag-mood muna kami. Thank you so much Mood and Coffee. Nag-adjust sila ng time. Dahil magbubukas sila 3 minutes na lang pero nakiusap ako guys kasi maaga kami. Dahil later, ininit namin yung owner ng Tanch & Co.
Yes.
Isa yun sa mga nagsisponsor ng perfume ni Daddy at isa sa pinaka-the best na perfume dito sa TikTok na natry ko rin. No joke guys, no joke. Malalaman nyo kung bakit ang dami namin na-try na perfume pero one of the best ng Tanch & Co. Especially yung gamit kong parang LV nila na ano yun? Copy. O yun. Basta guys, update ko kayo later po. So, yun. Dito na kami ngayon guys sa SM South Mall. Umabot naman kami. Kasi maga kami ngayon guys. Kasi nga 11:30 ba na imimit? Medyo paus yung voice ko guys. I have something na parang nafe-feel parang paus and all. Pero okay lang ganun talaga. Here you go. Hi, say hi. Go. Grabe, mabibisi kami ngayong December for some stuff lang na bisi-bisihan mo na. Dito tayo sa church.
Yeah.
Gusto ko sana mag-try ng CCF, kaya lang sabi ni Daddy, victory kami. Try natin ngayon. You wanna try CCF? New church there. Let's try na. Try natin. 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock?
Try lang. Ngayon lang naman eh.
Okay.
Sige. Try namin CCF. First time namin doon. Eh! Talaga ba?
Yeah.
Yay! Wala lang. Curious lang ako. Sige. Yeah. Ito na kami, guys. Sige, mamaya punta siya ng Sunday school. Kids church. Wala pang tao eh. Kasi maaga kami ng 15 minutes. So, core values nila is love God, love others, obey God's word and authorities, volunteer, engage the... What's that? I don't know.
Welcoming ushers
No,
program.
sa baba.
Is singing the shepherds, the wise men, and one day the 24 elders, all creation, all the angels will bow down and declare and worship Jesus.
And our in CCF, pwede po yan.
Yeah.
Advance Merry Christmas. And you know, we'll be celebrating.
That's the meaning of this verse. It is not to compare with others. It is not saying, I'm better than you. No. Each one must examine his own work. You look at how and what you are doing with your life today. Assume personal responsibility. Will it stand the scrutiny and the test of time? My friend, you have only one life, and it's short. What do you have to show at the end of your life? Don't waste your life. That's what it is saying. Assume responsibility.
Hey guys, hindi pala tuloy yung owner ng Tanch & Co. But it's okay. Late na namin nabasa yung message niya. So, dito pa rin kami sa Vermosa.
Yeah.
And may to-try kaming something new naman. Yun na food. So, yun. And...
Love
you
you.
Go. Yes. You can bike here. Ang ganda ng dito. Ang ganda ng Kings Road Veterinary Care dito, in fairness Yan guys. Ang dami na kasi, tsaka mas peaceful na talaga dito guys kapag magla-lunch ka. Pero yan, umorder kami kay Ralph. Sarap ng food. Wait, I'll show you something. Finally. Nagdaanan lang namin, check lang namin. Pero grabe ito, 30K.
Oh, boy.
No, medyo mabagal. Let's try that.
You can have someone sit here. I'll be
No. What? Which one is more faster?
Which is more faster?
Which one is more faster? This one? Can you go fast? Go. Go. Try it lang. This is mine? Pa.
Nom. Ice cream. Oh, you go. Look. It will never fall.
Ito.
I used to...
PR lang si Hines, tapos kami may mga asikasuhin muna bago mag-live. So, yeah. Alam mo na kami, may dadaanan lang kami. Basta malalaman nyo kung ano yung mga pinagagagawa namin lately. Nasabihin ko siya first week ng January kapag nakasettle na lahat, guys.